Halo sahabat rumah belajar. In our culture, have you heard this expression? Hemat pangkal kaya. Besar pasak daripada tiang. Ada udang di balik batu. Can you tell me the meaning? Those examples are called peribahasa in bahasa Indonesia or proverbs in English. Pada video pembelajaran hari ini, kita akan mempelajari yang namanya peribahasa atau proverbs in English. So, stay tuned rumah belajar. Every culture has a collection of wise sayings that offer advice about how to live your life. These sayings are called proverbs. For example, time is money. Waktu adalah uang. Waktu itu sangat berharga dan penting, maka manusia harus menggunakan waktu itu sebaik-baiknya. Proverbs atau peribahasa dalam bahasa Indonesia merupakan kumpulan ayat atau kata-kata yang mempunyai susunan tetap, mengandung pengertian tertentu yang berisi saran-saran yang positif. Kinds of proverbs atau jenis-jenis peribahasa. Aphorism, pepatah. These proverbs offer advice. For example, don't go too far in small. Artinya, jangan memperbesarkan persoalan yang kecil. Kedua, the second, parable, perumpamaan. That has a moral lesson and has a parable atau perumpamaan. For example, to carry coals to Newcastle. Artinya, bagai membuang garam ke laut. Third, slogan or pameo. This proverb gives spirit or motivation. For example, early bird gets worm. Artinya, Tuhan akan memberikan rezeki kepada makhluk yang lebih dahulu bangun. Diligence is the mysteries of success. Rajin pangkal sukses. Number 4, idioms atau idiom. It is a phrase that has group of words with a different meaning from the meaning of all individual words. Artinya, adalah kelompok kata yang dirangkai dengan susunan tertentu di mana artinya tidak dapat ditebak dari arti kata-kata penyusunnya secara terpisah. For example, pull your sock up, improve your behavior. You can arrange your bedroom at will. Sesuka hati. Social function of proverbs. Proverbs have a function to teaching, enlightening, advising, and persuading people about wisdom, truth, moral, manners, social morality, and traditional view of people from one generation to another as well. It can also be used to mock someone or to criticize. General structures of proverbs. The first, parallel phrase. For example, easy come, easy go. No pain, no gain. Number second, imperative positive. For example, look before you leap. Do it well or not at all. The third, imperative negatives. For example, don't judge a book by its cover. Don't count your chicken before they are hatched. Declarative sentence. For example, birds of feathers flock together. All roads lead to Rome. When we use it in a direct personal interaction, proverbs are often introduced with frame like you, should, one should, or always. For example, you should strike while the iron is hot. Always look before you leave. Language features of proverbs. Usually as short as 2 words. The full forms of popular longer proverbs are often replaced by elliptical allusion. Use of prosodic devices that enhance their memorability, especially rhyme, alliteration, assonance, parallelism as ellipse. Example, range or rima atau sajak yang merupakan persamaan bunyi di akhir kalimat. Birds of a feathers flock together. Alliteration atau sebuah pengulangan awal bunyi konsonan dari serangkaian kata yang ada di dalam satu kalimat. Live and let live. Assonance, pengulangan dari suara vokal yang identik atau mirip dalam kata-kata yang berdekatan. For example, strike while the iron is hot. Use of simple rhetorical devices, najas, such as metaphor, hyperbole, paradox, and personification. For example, it never rains, but it pours can occur. It uses metaphor in the literal context of real rainstorm or with metaphorical reference to a streak of bad luck. Exercises. Please study and find out the appropriate proverbs of the following situation. Number 1. Mike is like his father. He is friendly as his father. He also is good at playing chess. His father was a chess master player when he was young. What is the answer? Can you guess? Yes, the proverb is like father, like son. Next. I wake up late today, so I didn't go to work. I should wake up and start work early if I want to succeed. What is the appropriate proverb? That's right. The early birds catch the worm. Then, the situation is, the man may look very small and insignificant. He did not look very intelligent, but he is very powerful in his circle. Do not form opinion of a person's character by looking at his appearance. So what is the appropriate proverb for the situation? That's right. Don't judge a book by its cover. Well, sahabat rumah belajar, today we have learned about proverbs atau peribahasa in English. I hope you understand. Thank you for your attention. Bye.